We'll guide you through how to get Figma certification. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Figma website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to the resources section at the top menu. This is where you can find all the educational content Figma offers. Look for the Learn Design link, which will take you to various learning modules and courses. You'll want to complete the official Figma certification course. This course is designed to test your knowledge and skills on Figma's tools and features. Enroll in the course and follow the structured lessons. These will cover everything from the basics to more advanced design techniques. Make sure you understand each module because the final assessment will test you on all aspects covered in the course. After completing the lessons, you'll need to take the certification exam. The exam will quiz you on practical applications of Figma, so it's a good idea to practice using the software alongside the course. Once you pass the exam, you'll receive your Figma certification. This can be a valuable addition to your resume, showcasing your proficiency in one of the most popular design tools out there. Remember, the key to success in the certification is consistent practice and understanding the course material thoroughly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.